Everyone. As a data analyst, sometimes you need to read some data from a web page. Basically, it's a HTML page. So today I'm going to show you how to create a HTML page using JupyterLab. So let's first launch it. So after a couple seconds, you're going to see the JupyterLab interface. So from here, you want to go to the file and click on new. And what you want to create here is actually a text file. Right? First, you want to save it as a HTML. So save file as a HTML. So let's call it birthday book .html. Okay, you click on save, and now it's a HTML page. So you can put some HTML syntax there. Let's start with HTML. The next thing you want to do is put a head section, right, with a title. Let's call it birthday. Okay, and then you close the tag. Title. Okay. The next thing you want to do is you close the head section. So in this head section, you're gonna put some CSS, JavaScript if you want, but for this case, I'm gonna keep it very simple. So I'm gonna jump directly to the body section. So what I'll do here, I'm gonna create like a header, maybe the H2 or H1. Say, birthday for my friends, right? So within that, I'm gonna create some, let's say a table. So for a table, you're gonna put a table and keep it as simple as possible, right? And then within the table, you put one row first and put some header, let's say th, right? So the first thing we want to say, let's say it's the name, right? So close the th, and then you create another header, th. Let's say you do birthday, like the date of birth, right? So for your friend, to go th, next thing you do th again. Let's say you do a phone number, and then you close it with th. Okay, so that's basically the header section, and then you close with the tr. Right. So actually, you can just close the table, okay, and then close the body, right, and then HTML. And I hope that works. So I'm gonna save it. Right. So what I'll do is I'll go to that folder, basically where I saved the data, to see if it's there. So here you see HTML book, right? So open it, you see the birthday for my friends, you have the name, date of birth, phone, and phone number, right? Now you go back to the notepad, basically it's here, right? So you want to add something to the table, right? What you can do here, actually add a border, which I forgot. Let's say border equal to 1, right? With a quote, right? And then you test it and to see if that works, right? You save it again and you go come here, you're gonna refresh. Okay, you see, okay, it's getting a little bit better, right? So what you do next is you create another row, which is also a tr. Within that, you're gonna put td, right? So td, basically same thing as th, but td means just regular row, not a header, right? So here you put the first friend. Let's call him Jack, right? Like a Jack, right? Or Jack Joe, Jack Doe. TD, and they go TD here again, and then you go date of birth. You can, let's say, born in 1990, August, right? And 21st, right? You do the same thing, and you call the phone number. Let's say give a Ontario number 416. 211, that's a fake number, 3456. So close it, right? So you always want to do the small things and then test it. So you save it again, you come back to the birthday page, you run it, you say, oh, look, that looks much better. So you copy the same section, okay, and then you do a paste here. Now the space doesn't really matter. So let's do next friend named Jennifer, right? Born on different date, let's say in the same year, in July, let's say the 12th. Okay, the phone number I'm gonna change a little bit, change to 000, and same thing here. Let's do N, right? I'll leave the last name as all the same, right? So here you can put, let's say 29th, and I'm gonna change the phone number again like this. So that's all you need to do to create the HTML page. So let's save it again, and we're gonna refresh. You're gonna see the birthday here. On the top of the browser it says birthday. Basically that's the title, and you can see the path for your HTML file. And also you're gonna refresh it, you're gonna see the table and with 3 friends. So that's how to create the HTML page. So with this HTML page, we can get ready to learn about the Python capability to do web scripting. Some people call that web crawling, using the beautiful soup. I think that's a good start. Thank you very much for listening. Okay, have a good